to shut down the power system. Okay, looking at your monitor, you will have the AC on, the DC on, and all your toggles on the input on. So what we need to do is shut down the inputs first. So touch the rectangular input square, turn off all the toggles individually. Okay, go back to the main screen and then turn off the DC and turn off the AC. At this point, your lights will be off, your power will be off, and it's just your power hub that's working in the background. We will now go to the power hub and pull out the cables from there. Okay, now that we've turned off the switches on the monitor, we're moving to the power hub. This is for the complete shutdown. Okay, what you need to do is remove the 3 small rectangular plugs and also the 240 volt input. By removing the plugs, you press the button on the front end of the plug. You might need to use 2 hands, just shuffle them out, pull them out one by one, and then have them lying to the side. And we do that to the 240 also. The only plug now that is remaining is the batteries, and whether you've got 1, 2 or 3 batteries, you leave those in. At this point, we will then lift up the little switch panel, the power button, and this will be pulsing. At this point here, we'll give it about 30 seconds for the system to recognize that it is shut down, and then you can hold this button down for 5 seconds. All right, so we've left it talk for about 30 seconds. And we will now push this button, hold it. What will happen is that the lights on the opposite side will flash and go dead, as well as the actual power button will stop pulsing. So we'll hold it down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. The lights flashed. The power button has gone dead. It is not pulsing. And again, the system needs to recognize that it is shutting down, and it'll take about 30 seconds to a minute. All right, after which time you might find the pulse, a 1 pulse on the power button, then it'll go dead. There it's just pulsed now. It has gone down, and now the system is in a complete idle mode, and it will not be using any battery capacities. All right, so at this point now, the system is going to restore itself, refresh itself, and reset, and then you can turn it back on.